When my husband passed away of a heart attack, I had to do something to fight heart disease. I developed FlaxSnax, the original flaxseed muffin, delicious, moist, rich in flaxseed, a delivery system for omega-3s. FlaxSnax is a flour blend, easy to use, versatile. Everyone needs omega-3s. Our FlaxSnax muffin provides more omega-3 than a serving of salmon at a fraction of the cost. Improving heart health is one of many omega-3 benefits. FlaxSnax was designed for better living, a delicious alternative that's sustainable for a healthier tomorrow. Join our tribe of happy customers and live deliciously well with FlaxSnax.